Hey guys, welcome back to the Aussie Buckets main distribution centre here in Melbourne, Truganina. My name's Aiden and today we'll be checking out our DAEMO Breaker Series. Now this is one of our high performance breaker models and we're going to be covering off the BN, the SM and the SME breakers. These are going to be mainly suited for those chasing as much performance and productivity on site. Let's check it out. Right, so to kick off the walk around, we're going to talk about our four main offerings for breakers here at Aussie Buckets. We've specifically designed the range to make sure we had a breaker covering every price point and performance requirement. Now, our first breaker, our Aussie Buckets breaker, is our standard application, which majority of our customers will be running, and that's our best value offering in terms of raw performance for the actual dollars you're spending towards that breaker. Then you get up into our performance line, which is our DAEMO breaker range. Today, we've got one of our BN breakers. The main differences comes down to the features and the strokes that are included in each breaker. Now for our BN breaker, this is going to be for part-time usage where you are chasing a bit more productivity, and this has a 2-stroke adjustment, and that's a manually controlled adjustment. Then lastly, we have our highest performance breakers, our SM and our SME series. Those are really dedicated for those chasing as much productivity as possible, and it's more of a full-time application for the unit. Now for our SM breakers, that's going to be an automatic hydraulic stroke adjustment with 2-stroke options, and our SME, which is our smart electronic breaker, which has 3-stroke adjustments, which are all fully controlled electronically by the breaker. Now you might be thinking, why does automatic and even manual stroke adjustment matter on a breaker? This really equals how much productivity you can get out of a breaker. So having a shorter stroke will give you a higher frequency, which is better for heavy rocks and really hard material, where a longer stroke will give you a slower frequency but more power getting through softer materials, which means that you're going to be getting through more material on site based on varying conditions. And what this looks like on site in terms of productivity is if you've got one of our SM breakers and you're going through different material, the breaker will automatically change the stroke based on the condition. So you'll change the speed of how hard that breaker's going, maximizing the output on site. And you'll be able to hear that in the video, hearing the differences when the strokes change. Now the DAEMO breaker is going to come with the breaker itself, your wedge type and point type chisels, and in the kit you also get your hydraulic hoses, your toolbox, your nitrogen recharging kit, as well as an installation and operational manual, so it's ready to go as soon as it gets on site. Now these are packed with a bunch of different features, including our anti-blank firing system. So what's cool about that means the breaker will not fire unless the chisel is loaded up, reducing the ongoing wear and unnecessary stress on the unit when you are operating it. And all of these breakers also can come with our auto grease systems, making the greasing and long-term maintenance much easier on site. Now specifically for our SME series, we can also add on the Smart Connect system. This is really good for fleet management or any of our electronic breakers, where that'll report to your PC or your phone any maintenance requests or any service information regarding the breaker itself. Chat to one of our specialists in our team to find out more information on our Smart Connect system. All right guys, that wraps up the video today on our DAEMO Breaker Series. Now if you work in civil, mining, tunneling or any other industry where you're chasing maximum performance out of a breaker, it could be definitely worth chatting to our team to find out which offering is going to be best for you. So feel free to get in contact 0399178598 or head to aussiebuckets.com.au to chat to one of our specialists today.